So in this video we are going to learn about QBasic, that is Quick Basic Programming Language. So for that you need to have your QBasic application installed in your computer, and by default it stores inside the C drive. So I'm going to open the C drive and you can see the QBDOS folder over here. So I'm using this QBDOS, and you will get this QBDOS application inside this particular folder. And after you open this, you will get this kind of a welcome message from QBDOS. MS QBDOS. You just need to press escape. So today the first program that we are going to do is addition of two numbers. So for that I'm going to take user input. So I'm telling input double quotation enter the first number. So don't skip the video, watch till the end, otherwise you won't be able to learn anything. So the variable will be, let's say, num1, and again input double quotes enter the second number. So we are going to do addition of two numbers. This is quite simple, you can understand if you want to learn the basics first. So I have taken the user input, that is the first number and the second number. So I'm telling that let's say sum equals num1 plus num2, and I'm going to print this sum. So print the sum is sum, and after that we have to type end. So I have not used CLS. CLS is used for clearing the screen. That is the first program that you run inside this QBDOS. You don't need the CLS command. CLS command is required from the second program that we run. Okay, so F5 is the shortcut key to run. So I'm going to give a number, let's say 75, and again 75. So it should be 150. Yes, the sum is 150. Okay, so this was our first program, and let's see our second program. Like and subscribe, and also the like aim for this video is only 5 likes. Do that please, because it takes a lot of effort to make these videos. So input enter the first number. So guess what program we are doing, let me know in the comments right now. So enter the first number, let's say num1, input enter the second number. So by default you can all the commands that you give, like input, CLS, rem, and all those commands. Rem is not a command, rem is a reminder. I mean not a reminder, I'm really sorry, it's the remarks. So those are all you can give in small hand, that is without the capital letters. And if you want to give any kind of capital letters, then it will take automatically, but the variable names, these are not inside the capital letters. Okay, so we haven't give a semicolon over here, should be outside. Yep, that's it. So num1 and num2. So if num1, so now you have guessed what we are doing, num1 is greater than num2, then so this is how you can do print, if statement. So then print, so first number is greater, first number is greater, and else if num2 is greater than num1, then print second number is greater. Okay, so we are going to end if. You have to end the if cycle, that is the if algorithm, and after that you have to type end, that is we are ending the program. So as I mentioned earlier, during the first program you have to give CLS, because I have already run a program. So now I'm giving CLS, that's fine. F5. So the first number, let's say 80, the second number is, let's say, 90. So technically yes, second number is greater. Again let's check it. So I'm giving 100 and the second number is 90. So yeah, first number is correct. So this is working. So this was the first part of QBasic programming language. If you liked the video, then do let me know in the comments for sure, because I would like to know how did you felt about this particular video. Depending on this video, I'm going to bring the other QBasic programming languages, that is the other programs, the advanced programs, and also we are going to discuss the basics as well. And also leave a like on this video. We have only 5 likes to get. This is the like aim for this video. So see you all again next time in another video. Till then, goodbye and take care.